Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove WhatsApp button from Facebook page. If you no longer want to link your WhatsApp to your Facebook page, this tutorial will guide you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the account with admin access to the Facebook page where you want to remove the WhatsApp button. Once you're in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Pages, and then choose the page where you want to remove the WhatsApp button. On your page, navigate to the page profile by tapping on the profile picture in the top left. Next, tap on the three dots or the More button, usually found under the page's cover photo. Then select Add Action button from the menu. Then tap on the Edit Buttons option. Now you'll see all your enabled buttons. To remove the WhatsApp button, simply tap on the check mark beside the Send WhatsApp Message option. After removing the WhatsApp button, make sure to save your changes. This will update your Facebook page and remove the button immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed the WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.